Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sushmita. How are you all? So before I start this video, I want to wish you all a very happy new year. 2020 was very chaotic for us, but it still taught us a lot of things to be patient in the chaotic situation. In those situations also, we stayed calm, we stayed positive, and we were looking forward to this new year because life is all about hope. I'm sure for a lot of us, this year is going to be about a lot of things which we haven't really done before, like trying new things or maybe visiting new places or maybe doing something which we have been planning for a long period of time. So in today's video also I thought I would do something which I haven't really done previous year and something I have been planning to do, like this grunge or grung, whatever it is called, makeup look. And without any further ado, let's get right into the video to see how I created this makeup look. So first I'll start with my eye makeup, then I will move on to my base makeup. And the palette I'm using today is from Morphe James Charles palette, and I will be using some of these colors and maybe some dark colors from over here and black. So yeah, let's just get started. First I'm gonna take this purple over here and I will place this color over here under my eyes. Next up, I'm gonna take this pink from the palette. I'm gonna blend it all the way up to this point because I'm gonna apply a lot of color on my upper lid also. It already looks so grungy and weird, but eventually it will all come up together. We'll do the same on my upper eyelid, but I'll start with the pink right now. And next I'll go back to purple and then apply it on my lid. Also I'm taking a very small amount of color every time and I'm building it up slowly. And a little more on the outer corner of my lid over here. I will eventually join the corners like this. And next up I'm gonna take even smaller brush, this darker purple shade over here, and I will place it very close to my eyelashes. First I will pack the color like this to intensify. Slowly moving it along and mixing it with the other colors. And next up in the step comes a gel eyeliner. You can use any liner of your choice. It's completely up to you, but I'm using a pencil liner. And the liner I'm using today is from L'Oreal Paris Infallible Gel Liner. And I will place it on my waterline. I'm gonna smudge it with a small flat brush. Okay, so I'll quickly do my other eye makeup and I will be back. And welcome back again. As you can see, my eye makeup is done, my base makeup is done. The only thing left is filling up my inner corners with some glitters. So I'm gonna do that right now. And I'm using the same Morphe palette and I'm gonna use this glitter, purple glitter over here. And also I will add some on my brow bone, just to highlight it. Alright, so with those glitter my makeup is done. Now I'm gonna brush my hair off because it looks so messy right now. I'll be back with my hair done. Alright, that is my complete look for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do let me know what you think about this grunge or grung makeup look. Do not forget to leave a comment down below stating how do you like this makeup look. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell button to get notified every time I upload my new videos. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'm being Sush. Bye.